What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video and welcome back to the channel. This is your boy Hemi Life. Thank you guys for tuning in once again. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. In today's video, we're gonna be starting to tear the charger up and basically start replacing some of the things. Well, not yet, not replacing things, but today's video we're gonna just start trying to take off as many broken pieces as we can. If you guys don't know what's going on, make sure you guys check out the last video. I explained everything. So yeah, let's go ahead, cue the intro, and let's just get right into work. Let's start pulling some things off. Here we go.
And we're flying so close to where we belong, and we're trying to go somewhere new. And I try to crack this iceberg open till it shatters through the ocean. I wanna make shockwaves. I wanna make shockwaves with you. Gonna move the ocean current till the waves flood what's been burning. I wanna make shockwaves. I wanna make shockwaves with you. And I know I'm only getting higher till it feels like I can walk through fire. And I know I'm only getting higher till it feels like I can walk through fire. Trying to step back and see the view from above, 'cause I know that nothing lasts forever. And I try to crack this iceberg open till it shatters through the ocean. I wanna make shockwaves. I wanna make shockwaves with you. Gonna move the ocean current till the waves flood what's been burning. I wanna make shockwaves. I wanna make shockwaves with you. Shockwaves with you. Shockwaves with you. Shockwaves with you. Shockwaves with you.
Alright guys, I've come to a good stopping point for over here, I guess. I'm not sure where the camera cut off last. I just picked it up and the battery was dead, so I just replaced the battery. But I believe it got almost all of it. But there's the rest of the fan and the fan motor and all that good stuff. Obviously that's all toast. Here is the radiator support. I already showed it to you guys, I think, on the last video. Here's the condenser, all smushed. Radiator took a hit over there and over there. It's just draining out the rest of the coolant that was in it. But radiator support, like I said, bent over there, cracked in multiple spots and broken all over. There's that. Took out my intercooler, like I said. That should be savable. This aluminum pipe over here is all mangled up. Damn, I think my intake sensor's messed up, but we'll get a new one. Blow off valve is still good. So nothing too crazy over here. This piece over here bent. We'll bend it back in place. It's nothing crazy. What else also bent? There's a little kink over here where the core support mounts. I think we'll be able to just take the fender off and maybe hit it back into place. That's nothing crazy as well. Frame rails look decent. We're not going to talk about it. But the lower radiator support lighting isn't that bad, or isn't that good, but let me save these because these are good. This one should still be on there. Nope. I need those. Lower support is just all bent. I might be able to reuse that, but it won't be a bad idea to go ahead and get a new one. Lower and upper hoses still good. Just that'll bend back to place. Everything motor wise is still good. Like I said, all the impact did hit on the pulleys. The fan just came in. It's got a little rub, but you know, pulley's still fine. The belt got a little chewed up, but it just needs to go back into place. That goes over like that, and then it just goes back on the tensioner. And then the regular serpentine belt is all over the place, so we'll go ahead and fix that. I might try to crank the car just to see if it's still good and if it'll start. So let me go ahead, put the pulleys back into, or the belts, yeah, I'm right, the belts back into place, and let's give her a go. Let's see if it'll start. Here we go. Oh damn, we both got red keys. Alright boys, we got Daytona 297 in the cut. I got the belts back into place, and he's gonna crank it. Just crank it for a few seconds. If it starts, leave it alone.
Turn off right away?
Yeah, like 5 seconds or so.
Alright.
You should be good. Go ahead.
Oh my god, damn.
I don't know if you guys see that, but trans oil just shot out the fucking line.
Oh, you got it on video?
I did. Alright, well, motor's good. Yeah, motor's good. Yeah, it still needs a new belt though on both of them. You know, the good thing is I got another belt.
Oh,
I got
yeah,
another
one?
I have a regular serpentine belt, but I need a new Torque Storm belt.
God damn, hey.
What? Oh shit, it squirted all over the door. God damn. Yeah, that's why I said turn it off. But it's good for the most part. Yay. Now I guess.
That's good that, what's it called? Nothing, the supercharger didn't get hit.
Yeah, the supercharger's still good, so that's good.
Oof, it smells like shit now.
Alright, so that's good. Yeah, that's trans fluid.
You know who it is?
I'm gonna take the hood off maybe whenever I get a new hood. I don't want to take it off just yet. But I'm gonna go ahead and move into the interior and remove the airbag on the steering wheel. I'm not gonna worry too much. I'm gonna just cut the airbag off the dash and off the knee, and then removing the dash will be when I get the new dash. So here we go. Alright guys, it's the next day. I put some oil dry on the floor wherever I was leaking coolant, or wherever the wherever the coolant leaked down when I took the radiator off. But like I said, this is what I did yesterday, and I'm gonna go ahead and clean all of this up when I'm done. But to end this video off, because there's really nothing much to do, I'm just gonna go ahead, take the driver airbag off. I want to make sure the connectors aren't melted, because usually that's what happens, they melt. So I'm gonna take the airbag off, and then I'm gonna go ahead and cut the knee airbag and the passenger airbag just to have the clearance, and then I'll just pick you up from there and talk to you about what I'm gonna be doing. So let's go ahead and take this airbag out.
I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go, I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down. If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you want to travel, then go alone.
Alright guys, I don't know how well you're going to be able to see that, but if you see right over there, looks like it's melted. So that's, oh, it doesn't look like it is melted. I don't know how well you guys can see that, but yeah, and I don't think this harness comes out. I believe it's attached to the clock spring, so wow, we might need a clock spring. Alright, so what I did for the quick part, I just cut them off because, like I said, they're melted on, they can't come off. We're gonna have to get a clock spring for it. But I took this cover off so I can go ahead and take this this bottom piece off where the headlight thing connects to, the headlight switch. I want to take this off just so that I can cut the airbag off and see how it mounts. And then we'll cut that airbag off. And then I'm just going to release the tension because, like I said, the seat belts are locked. I'm going to take that off, move the seats all the way up. Nah, I'm not going to do this in today's video. This is what I want to do with the interior. I'm just gonna cut the airbags off, and then the seat belts, I'll take them off with the buckles either when I replace them or send them out to get reset. But the dashboard, I'm not gonna touch it until I buy a new dash. And when I do, that's when I'll go ahead and take the seats out, move the center console back, take the steering wheel out, and then take the dash out. But until I get it, I won't be doing anything with the interior. And just like with the front, I'm not gonna, basically today's video is gonna be just tearing everything apart like I said, and then the next video is it's gonna be a while from now, but that's when I'll have all the parts and we'll just go ahead and reassemble everything. So I'm gonna go ahead, like I said, just cut these airbags out of the way, and then we'll wrap up today's video.
Ba-dum, ba-dum. Ba-dum, 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 ba-dum. Ba-da-da-dum. Ba-dum. Oh, shit. That nigga dead in the park. Damn. Let's get this boy a call. Now I gotta get done. Wait, why is it doing that? Yeah. Yeah, we're focused. Okay. Now, what are we doing? What up, baby? Say hi to your vlog. Damn.
man. He done froze up in that joint.
Huh? Oh, damn, I forgot the camera.
Say what up to the vlog.
What?
Say what up to your vlog.
You're recording?
Yeah.
Did you show them around yet?
I peeked the dash and stuff, but like, damn, I need to get everything apart.
Yeah, like I told you guys, I just went ahead and cut the airbags. I forgot the camera in the garage. But, I mean, that's basically it for right now. Like I said, I'll pick you guys back up when we get most of the parts. But for right now, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you guys go ahead and smash the like button. Subscribe to the channel for more content coming here very soon. Turn on that post notification bell so you guys don't miss out on any future videos. Been your boy, Hemi Life.
And Jay.
For some reason. We will see you guys in the next video. Finally rebuilding the car. Peace.